Hi, I'm Elaf, and today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY photo shoot of your own products. I'm going to give you an example of 3 different products, and I'll show you the before and after and the process of how to use AI to generate these products, and also edit anything that you want in between to make sure it's the exact photo that you want. I'll teach you generally how to use the platform so that you could create kind of realistic product photos so that you can market your own product however you like. Caspa uses the latest state-of-the-art AI models so that you can make sure the output that you're getting is the best quality that you can find on the market, and we're constantly updating and improving these models, and as the AI model continues to train and the tech continues to get better, this will just be as seamless as possible. We've categorized the products in these videos in the kind of food and beverage industry. One's a bottle, one's a cake, and another is an orange can or a soda can. But you can obviously do this with whichever products you have, and usually it depends on the input image. So if you've got a nice clear input image that you can input into the system, then usually the output is significantly better. So that's something to just be aware of when you're playing around with it for yourself. Now I'm going to share my screen and we'll get straight into it. Here I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo or just click on the one that I've uploaded before. I'll select this wooden water bottle and click on the green Generate Product Photos button. It will send the photo to the 3rd tab called AI Product Photos and Editing, and this is where I can write my prompts. First, write what the product is, in this case a wooden water bottle, then where I want to see it placed. For example, here I want it on a marble table in a bright kitchen with a 30-year-old Mexican woman in the background smiling, and then once I'm happy, I'll click the green Generate button. It takes a few seconds to load, then 4 images are created with my product. They're not all great, but I like the one in the blue top, so I'll download it and save it. If you're not happy with the first set, then regenerate by clicking the green button again and it will create a new badge. If you still don't like them after that, then try editing the prompt, but here's another one after regenerating, which I think looks good, so I'm going to save it. I'm going to edit the prompt to generate a black woman now. This is useful since you can create different lifestyle photos with different models of whichever ethnicity you like. I like this one with the pink top, so I'm going to save it and generate again for more variety. I like this one, so I'm going to download it as well, and now I'm going to generate a couple other images with this bottle, one with a Chinese model and another with an Indian model. Now, if I open up all the images next to each other, you could see it was a super quick process, and if I want to go back and edit any part of the photo to perfect it, I could do that easily. I'm going to move on to the product photo of this pistachio cake, and I'll show you how to create these 3 lifestyle photos in a few minutes. Back to the platform, I've removed the background of the cake and clicked the Send to Studio Editor button. The Studio Editor is the 2nd tab, and here I can adjust the position of the product and resize it. Once happy, I'll click the Generate Product Photos button to send it to the 3rd AI Editor tab. Similar to before, write what the product is, in this case a pistachio cake, and where you want it placed. Here I want it on a golden white plate in a professional kitchen with a chef in the background, and then click Generate. Flick through the 4 photos generated. I like this one, but it's added some more cake to my original product, so I want to edit that out. Click on the edit button and then it will appear on the image component on the left. I'll use the brush to paint over the area I want to erase, then type in white plate in the prompt box and click Generate. This tells the AI that I only want the area I painted over to change. 4 more images are generated as usual, and I'll select the one I like and download it. Let's say that I want to generate another couple of photos to A/B test. I'll go back to the Studio Editor and send the original photo with the transparent background to the AI tab. I'm going to type in the same prompt as before, then click Generate. I like this photo with the thick gold rim, so we'll save that and generate one more time. Looking through the set, I like this photo, but I want to remove the spoon that's been generated, so I'll click on the edit button, paint over the spoon, then click on the magic erase button. Looks like I didn't paint over it properly, so I'll just edit that and click Generate, and then once I'm happy with the photo, I will save it. And this is how these photos turned out next to each other. Finally, I'll show you how to generate a background for this orange fizzy drink can or soda can, depending on what you call it where you're from. Funnily enough, I actually generated the can on the stock photo tab and sent it to the background remover when looking for a food and beverage product, but anyway, I sent it to the AI editor tab and typed in the prompt I want. So the product is an orange can, as you can see, and I want it on a bench in a busy park with kids sitting on a bench in the background with orange slices on the table and a sunny day. And then I'll click Generate. Flicking through the 4 photos that are generated, I'm going to download the one that I like by clicking the arrow in the top right corner. And then I'm going to click Generate again to get one more photo for A/B testing. And this is how the 2 photos look together. So that's the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you wanted to continue editing it or do whatever you like for yourself, feel free to do that. I'd love to see any examples that you can create yourself. But otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.